Hey guys, I'm back, and today, hold on. Well, doesn't want to break the brightness. I managed to combine 3 of my favorite patterns into one cube. First off, the high pattern, which goes like H, then I. Spelling out the word high. And then, if I rotate it upwards, it's only the letter H. Same like that and that. But then if I rotate it like this, it becomes only the letter I on all faces. And then I rotate it like this, it becomes H's again. And then I rotate it like this, and this, and it becomes the high pattern again. Going H, I, and I for I don't know how I did this. And this is my favorite pattern by far. It's simple too. Now, let me grab one of my other Rubik's Cubes so I can see if I can figure out how I've made it. Well, here's the thing, everyone. I just decided to try it with this cube. Succeeded, but I wasn't recording. So I'm going to have to solve this and then redo it. And I was so close too. My mom interrupted me. Okay, good thing is, it's not that difficult to solve. Anyways, first off, I like doing this move, which gives me one of these faces, a solid face, and a striped face. Then, with a striped face, I turn downwards. And if I do those moves, it gives me this. Then, basically, I want to do this. No, wait, wrong thing. Which makes it where this is facing inwards, this is facing inwards, these are facing upwards. Now, I can do this, and then this, which gives me a single H. Then what I want to do, is I want to do this, which will give me this checkerboard pattern and that. And what I want to do is literally all I had to do was that to get to there. Okay. Now I got the H and this. So I'm going to do that. Then I'll get the H and the I pattern with a checkerboard. And then do that. I'm just guesstimating now. Oh, I just got to where it's the high pattern with soft size now. Now, what am I doing wrong now? Oh, I got to the H pattern. Another version of the H pattern. This is a bunch of trial and error. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go from here, off camera, and then see what moves I do to get to the final thing. Okay, I don't know if I showed off the high pattern, but, well, it works if I do this because the way the camera is, but I couldn't get it back to the H pattern, so I'm just going to show how to do it from the high pattern. Basically, you just want to turn it down like, no wait. You want to do that, that, and that. And then you get the high pattern like this. Wait. Did I just make a new pattern? Yes, I did. Great. It's the high pattern all the way around. Oh boy. Oh, still don't know how I did this. Thought I knew how, but apparently I don't. Leave a comment down below if you know what I did to get that pattern. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you right in the next video.